All right, so the first thing I got to do on number 6, this is worksheet 2, by the way, is I need to change cosecant into terms of sine or cosine, and it is 1 over sine x. And then I have that over 1 plus sine x. So what I need to do now, this is called a complex fraction because I have two fractions. So what I do is I always stick 1 under everything that doesn't have a fraction. And then I get the LCD. So the LCD is the 1 times sine, which is sine. So I'm going to multiply sine over 1 by every single part. I'm multiplying the top and the bottom by sine over 1. The LCD, that's sine. So I'm multiplying every single part. It's a distributive property. And when I do that, these reduce to 1. So sine times sine is 1. And then here, that's sine times 1 is sine. So in the numerator, I've got sine x plus 1. In the denominator, I've got sine x plus sine squared x. Now, there's a common factor in the bottom of sine. So I'm going to factor out of the bottom a sine. So if I take sine out, I am left sine divided by sine is 1. Sine squared divided by 1 is sine. And 1 plus sine and sine plus 1, these are identical, so these reduce to 1s. So I have 1 over sine, which is cosecant, and that would be my answer, cosecant x. This next problem, I've got cosine on the top, and I'm going to make it into a fraction. So I got cosine squared on top over 1. Changing this bottom one into sine and cosine is cosine squared over sine squared. So I have a fraction divided by a fraction, leave the top the way it is, and flip the bottom and multiply by the reciprocal of the bottom. So when I flip the bottom one over to multiply by it, these cosines reduce cosine squares, both reduce to 1. That leaves me a sine squared x, and that's the answer.